Hello gardening enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting and eco-friendly project for you. We're going to show you how to grow delicious cabbage right at home using old tires. It's a fun, cost-effective, and sustainable way to start your own mini garden. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this project. Old tires. Make sure they're clean and free of any chemicals. Garden soil, compost, cabbage seedlings, gardening tools, gloves, trowel, watering can, mulch, optional, and paint, optional, for decorating the tires. First, let's prepare our tires. Clean them thoroughly to remove any dirt and residue. If you want to add a bit of flair to your garden, you can paint the tires in bright, fun colors. Make sure to use non-toxic, weather-resistant paint. Let them dry completely before proceeding. Once your tires are ready, choose a sunny spot in your garden and place the tires where you want to grow your cabbage. Ensure the location gets at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Now it's time to fill the tires. Start with a layer of garden soil at the bottom, followed by a generous layer of compost. Compost is essential as it provides the necessary nutrients for your cabbage to grow healthy and strong. Mix the soil and compost well. Next, take your cabbage seedlings and plant them in the prepared tire beds. Make a small hole in the center, place the seedling, and cover the roots with soil. Be sure to space them adequately if you're planting more than one in each tire. Water the seedlings thoroughly after planting. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Cabbage likes well-drained soil, so make sure your tires have proper drainage. You can add mulch around the seedlings to help retain moisture and keep the soil cool. Over the next few weeks, keep an eye on your cabbage. Water them regularly, and if needed, add more compost to ensure they get enough nutrients. You can also use organic fertilizers to boost their growth. After about 70 to 100 days, depending on the variety, your cabbage will be ready to harvest. Look for firm heads with tightly packed leaves. Gently cut the base of the cabbage with a sharp knife. And there you have it. Fresh, homegrown cabbage right from your garden using recycled tires. It's a rewarding experience and a great way to contribute to sustainability. Thank you for joining us on this gardening adventure. We hope you enjoyed this project and feel inspired to grow your own vegetables at home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening! Text on screen like share and subscribe. See you in the next video.